Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to talk about the topic government initiatives towards environmental conservation. I will be covering this topic into five parts, namely introduction, government steps for the environment, challenges, the way forward, and conclusion. Starting from the introduction, environmental conservation means protecting our air, river, forest, land, and waters from being damaged, from being extinctions, and from being polluted. Now, talking about the government initiatives towards it. First of all, in 2014, the Swachh Bharat Mission, which has contributed a lot for the cleanliness and waste management all over the India. Second comes Namami Gange Abhiyan, which has aimed to clean our rivers and reduce the pollution from the rivers. As factories, untreated sewage goes to the rivers, which creates pollution in the river. As we have the example of polluted Yamuna and Ganga. Crores of rupees has been spent on it, but the results are not visible on the ground. And coming on the next, Green India Mission, which aims to provide and to make energy by the renewable resources such as solar power. Government has invested a lot in it, as we are seeing the subsidies on the solar panels and electric vehicles. Yes, the changes are visible on the ground level. We can see solar lights and solar rooftop on many houses in the cities as well as in the villages. And a revolution has been come in the motor sector. We can see electric vehicles on the roads. Next comes the plan of making forest again green. The plan of afforestation, which is aiming for planting more and more trees. And as we can see that regularly having the afforestations on the plans by the state governments as well as by the union governments. Other plans like switching towards green energy and wind energy. This is also an initiative of the government. And we also act like Environmental Protection Act, Act of Wildlife Conservation, which ensures the safety for it. Now talking about the challenges, there are some challenges such as still there are a lot of burn of the agricultural waste, a lot of emission from the factories and vehicles, and still unsewaged, untreated sewage is going from the rivers. Now talking about the way forward, the way forward can be the collective efforts of the people as well as government. At the last, I would say that protecting the environment is not only the responsibility of the government, but it is a collective effort. We all should go forward and go ahead and plant more and more trees. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.